There's very strong family bonds.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Bomet Hilary Kipngeno Barchok hamwe na uria wari gavana wa kaunti ya Bungoma WYCLIFF Wangamati omuthe ni makinyirio mbere ya igoti ria MILIMANI gwitika thitango iria imagomeire cia ungumania, uhuthiri moru wa kigina kia muingi, uici wa kigina kia uguri wa indo cia thirikari undumwe na uheani wa kandarathi na uhuthiri moru wa wabici.
What is readily available to this court information is the nature and seriousness of the offences the accused are facing. This, of course, is not on the strength of the evidence of commission of the crime, but just on the mere pronouncement of the legislative instruments under which the charges are brought.
Ona gutwika eria ya ni mareganire na thitango ici, mucirithania wa igoti riri Zipora Gicana ni arekereirie Barchok na bondi ya ciringi mirioni 15 kana ciringi mirioni 5 mbeca baribari, guku nake Wangamati akirekererio na bondi ya ciringi mirioni 5 kana ciringi mirioni 1.5 mbeca baribari.
The accused are hereby notified that breaches of any of the foregoing conditions shall attract legal consequences, including but not limited to cancellation of the bond or bail terms.
Akirekereria itua riri Zipora ni ugite ni athingatite uritu uria ugumeire macira ma eri aya, kuona ciiko iria mathitangirwo nacio ciatabanirio riria mari mawabici-ini. Kuhana uguo, uria uthitangitwo hamwe na Barchok niwe Evans Kipkoech ni arekereirio na bondi ya ciringi mirioni 5 kana ciringi mirioni 1 mbeca baribari, guku eri aya magiathwo gutiga maneana passport ciao igoti-ini riri.
In case each of the accused persons holds a passport, the same should be deposited in court and seek the permission of the court in case they wish to travel outside the country. Therefore, ask the Honorable Court to take into account the nature of charges in releasing the accused persons on bond or bail.
The accused person is a family man. He has very strong family bonds, and the village looks up to him. For guidance.
Prevailed upon this court, however, to set the bond terms at reasonable terms in line with the provisions of the law. The prosecution further urges court to require the accused persons not to leave the jurisdiction of this court without leave, and further for them to deposit their passports in court. They also seek that the accused persons be warned against interfering with and or contacting any of the witnesses in person or through proxy.
Mwena-ini wake Wangamati ni eteteire igoti-ini riri akiuga cira uyu ni ukungeirio uteti. Cira wa Barchok ukagwetwo tariki 17 mweri uyu, guku naguo cira wa Wangamati ukigwetwo tariki 18 mweri oro uyu.
This matter is now allocated to court number 3, which may give further directions on pre-trial and also to hear and determine it.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.